Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to find security identifier of all user in Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type who am I /user. Only displays currently logged user SID. Type WMIC, user account, get, domain, name, SID. All user SIDs are displayed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.